go back further, Jason. Tell me about what happened to you a few years back.
I don't know if I can, Doc. But I'll try.
It's all right, Jason. This is a safe place.
You don't know what it's like having that face ingrained in your mind.
Face hallucinations. Tell me about this face.
It was terrible. You see, I was in Nam.
Nam. How old are you?
30.
Right. Vietnam, 30 years old, monothematic delusions. Go on, Jason.
Well, it was Hanoi. I got separated from my company, lost in the jungle for days. No food, no water. I had to survive by drinking my own urine. And bugs, when I could catch one.
Sounds like a very traumatic experience, Jason.
It wasn't the worst part. Eventually, I thought it was all over. I found myself face down in the Vietnam mud, bleeding, suffocating. But then there was this voice, calling.
Okay, and this voice, Jason, was it a divine or godlike voice?
I don't know. It seemed real.
Right, schizophrenia. Tell me about this voice.
I picked up my face, mud dripping, and I saw a man with a pink wig, cat glasses, and a sequin dress.
Pink wig, cat glasses, sequin dress. Dame Edna. Continue, Jason.
Well, I tell you, I got up and I ran. I ran for miles, desperate, blind with fear, vines grabbing. I tripped. I hit my head on a rock. I think I blacked out.
What happened next? Tell me everything.
I woke up in a cheap, dingy motel in Warren, Ohio. And all around me, hundreds of men. No! Baboons. Every one of them with a pink wig, cat glasses, and a sequin dress. You believe that? Baboons with pink wigs, cat glasses, and sequin dresses. Baboons. 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 Baboons.